What is up everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up brother MFC L6810DW printer or download and install driver. So first of all, open browser and search here printer. Now click on official website and here you select a window and then click on OK. Now click on printer driver and here you can download your printer driver. After download your printer driver, then open your downloaded files and here you can install your printer driver. After install printer driver, then go back and click on settings. Now click on printer and scanner and then click on add device. Now here you can see the option add manually. Now click on add manually and follow these steps for add a printer. Now here you can see my printer will be added. Thanks for watching this video.